Hello everyone, this is Miss Jordy, the Young Adult Librarian at the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library. Thank you for joining me today. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has designated March as National Nutrition Month. It's an annual campaign that invites everyone to learn about making informed food choices and developing healthful eating and physical activity habits. This year's theme is Personalize Your Plate, which means that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to developing healthful eating patterns. The key is to tailor your favorite foods to meet your individual needs. Because we all have different body types and activity levels, we are encouraged to create nutritious meals that meet our cultural and personal food preferences. Here are some helpful health tips given by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. The first one is to eat breakfast. In her book, Eat Fresh Food, Awesome Recipes for Teen Chefs, Roseanne Gold has several wonderful recipes, including this pink flamingo yogurt smoothie that is great to drink for breakfast or a snack. To make it, you will need 1 large ripe mango, 12 ounces of strawberries, 1 cup of plain low-fat yogurt, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of honey. If you don't eat dairy, you can substitute plant-based options for your yogurt and milk. As preteens and teens, eating a nutritious breakfast can help you get more nutrition and even perform better at school. Here are 5 reasons for you to eat breakfast. It gives you energy, it improves your concentration, it helps you get better grades, it helps you make healthier food choices, and it tastes great. The pink flamingo yogurt smoothie recipe is located on page 30 of the book, and it gives detailed instructions of how to deal with a mango, of which I'll read some of those on the next few slides. To properly cut a mango, grasp one side of the mango with the stem on top and slice down on the opposite side, cutting right next to the seed. Repeat on the other side. Using your paring knife, carefully cut a 1/2-inch crosshatch pattern through the mango pulp, down to the skin, being careful not to cut through the skin, as demonstrated. Scoop out the flesh with a spoon. Then scrape as much flesh as you can from the skin. Dice the flesh into small pieces. You will get about 1 heaping cup. Once you have rinsed the strawberries, cut off the green tops and then cut the berries in half. Add all of your ingredients to your blender along with 8 ice cubes. Then blend on high until your mixture is very smooth and thick, and now you can enjoy. Other helpful health tips are to make half your plate fruits and vegetables, to watch portion sizes, to be physically active, to fix healthy snacks such as making your own trail mix by combining whole grain cereals, unsalted nuts or seeds, and dried fruits, or to cut up fruit to make kebabs and serve with low-fat yogurt dip. Other tips are to drink more water, to get cooking, to explore new foods and flavors, to enact family mealtime, and to reduce added sugars by reducing your consumption of sugary foods and drinks. For the Get Cooking health tip, we have several wonderful cookbooks in the YA area at the headquarters branch that will help you cook healthy meals for you and your family. They are Teen Cuisine by Matthew Locricchio, Teen Cuisine New Vegetarian by Matthew Locricchio, Students Vegetarian Cookbook by Carol Raymond, and Students Go Vegan Cookbook by Carol Raymond. I also recommend checking out these 2 awesome books that are in the Pine system. They are Good and Cheap by Leanne Brown, which is a New York Times bestseller, and the 5-ingredient college cookbook by Pamela Elgin. Thank you so much for joining me today. For more helpful health tips, be sure to go to the website eatright.org, and please be sure to follow us on social media at the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library, as well as the Young Adults at Augusta Public Library on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Until next time.